Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're on location at my mom's house because we're going to replace her lock. We've got the eufy Smart Lock E30, and eufy sent us this for the review. So we're really excited about this because my mom has had a smart lock for some time, but the batteries tend to go, and we have to replace them. So we're really excited about this lock because the batteries are supposed to last for 8 months, and there's 8 AA batteries in there. So let's check it out. Okay, so to lock the door, first touch the keypad here, and this little light's blue. That shows you that it's unlocked. So I'm going to push it, hold it down. Then you can see it changes to orange, means it's locked. Okay, so when you're ready to unlock it, you can do it one of 3 ways. You can use your fingerprint. It's unlocked. Lock it again. You can also use the keypad. You can also scramble your 4-digit code within some other codes. And you can also unlock it and lock it with the key. Now it's blue. It's back to red. And by the way, the eufy app is keeping track of all these different locking and unlockings. And I can unlock it and lock it with the app. Notice how quiet the lock is, and it's really fast. So that's the eufy Smart Lock E30. You can unlock it with your finger, with the keypad, with the key, or with the eufy app. And we think my mom's really going to like this much quieter smart lock. Thank you for watching.